Chapter 2 Conditional Statements. Session 1 Conditional Statements. In Python, conditional statements are used to control the flow of a program based on certain conditions. They allow you to make decisions and execute different blocks of code depending on whether specific conditions are true or false. Conditional statements are crucial for creating dynamic and interactive programs that respond to different scenarios. The main types of conditional statements in Python are if statement. The if statement checks a condition, and if it evaluates to true, the code block under the if statement is executed. If the condition is false, the code block is skipped. If-else statement. The if-else statement provides an alternative code block to execute when the if condition is false. If the if condition is true, the code block under if is executed. Otherwise, the code block under else is executed. If-elif else statement. The if-elif else statement allows you to check multiple conditions in sequence. When the if condition is true, the elif, short for else if, conditions are checked one by one until a true condition is found and the corresponding code block is executed. If none of the conditions are true, the code block under else, if present, is executed. These conditional statements allow you to control the program's behavior based on user input, external data, or intermediate results. They are essential for decision making and implementing logical branching in your code. Syntax of conditional statements. First, if statement. Second, if-else statement. Third, if-elif else statement. Example. In this example, the program checks the value of the variable num and prints a corresponding message based on whether it is positive, negative, or 0. Conditional statements are fundamental building blocks in programming and play a crucial role in making your programs responsive and adaptable to different scenarios. Some advanced conditional statements in Python along with examples, outputs, and explanations. First, nested if-else. In a nested if-else statement, an inner if-else block is placed within another if-else block. This allows you to handle multiple conditions and their respective outcomes in a more granular manner. Example. Let's write a Python program that determines the grade of a student based on their score. Explanation. In this example, the program checks the value of the score variable and assigns a corresponding grade based on different score ranges. Since the score is 75, it falls into the range of 70 to 79. So the grade is assigned as C. Second, ternary operator. The ternary operator is a concise way to write conditional statements in a single line. It allows you to evaluate a condition and return different values based on whether the condition is true or false. Example. Let's write a Python program that determines whether a given number is even or odd using the ternary operator. Explanation. In this example, the program checks whether the num is even or odd using the ternary operator. If the condition is true, that is, num is divided by 2, the result will be even, otherwise the result will be odd. Third, multiple conditions. You can combine multiple conditions using logical operators and or not to create more complex decision-making scenarios. Example. Let's write a Python program that checks whether a given year is a leap year. Output. Explanation. In this example, the program checks whether the year is a leap year. It follows the leap year rule. If the year is divisible by 4 and not divided by 100, or it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Advanced conditional statements allow you to handle more complex decision-making scenarios and make your code more concise and efficient. By using nested if-else, ternary operators, and logical operators, you can create powerful programs that respond intelligently to various conditions and inputs. Keep practicing and exploring the possibilities of advanced conditional statements in Python.